Hey, welcome to my channel. I'm the Flying Mechanic. And we're here today to discuss a couple things that I have discovered with the Leatherman Charge in the closing of the pliers. Now, this is a brand new purchase, and everything about the tool is great. All the things you read about and hear about these charges are great. This is a Charge TTI. It has a titanium scales on it and the upgraded blade steel, but there's a problem when you go to close the pliers. It catches on the inside here. If you see it, see if I can open it up so you can see it a little better. It's catching right here on your bit exchanger. And it's binding. See if we can get that to do that again. See that? I have to put pressure on it and then it'll snap shut. Which it shouldn't do that, because what it should do is close smoothly. It doesn't. It binds. And it's catching down here. If you can see that, see how that tip of your needle nose pliers is getting wedged in between the bit and the can opener here. Now I can alleviate that if I close it like this. It doesn't do it. If we make sure that the pliers are on this side, it doesn't do it. Or if we make sure the pliers are closed, you can pretty much close it anyway, and it closes real smooth. But that's not how it should operate. $200 multi-tool, when you open and close it, you should be able to just close it and be done. But see, it's binding. Right now it's binding. And I can lift it up a little bit. Hear that click? It's popping out of the little wedge it was in, and it shuts just fine. But do it again, and it binds. There it is again. So real hard to shut. Whereas all my other Leathermans, the Wave never does it. Nice smooth closing. The Surge doesn't do it. It's a nice smooth closing. And even a cheaper, much cheaper Leatherman curl. Nice and smooth. But not this. It doesn't want to do it. Every time almost. Not every single time, but almost every time. There it is binding again. Now I'm not going to force it shut this time. I'm going to pull it out. Hear that little pop. Force the plier head over and it closes. So I talked to Leatherman, and they said we could send it back in for warranty. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do that. They're going to let me do that. I'm going to send it in, have them take a look at it, and I will follow up with another video once I hear back from them and let everyone know what the outcome was. So thanks for watching my channel. I just wanted to bring this to some people's attention. Maybe you're having the same issue. In my opinion, a tool of this price and quality shouldn't do that right out of the box. So I'm going to see how they take care of it and what their answer is, and I will get back to you and let everyone know what the outcome was. So I will be making a follow-up video to this one. But overall, other than that one issue with this tool, I like it. It's a great tool. Everything they said is true. blade steel, feel, the action, opening and closing of the components. Everything works great except for closing it once you have the pliers out. So anyway, thanks for watching. This is Flying Mechanic. Have a great day. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And God bless. And I will talk to you later.